And this book is fun.
Tapos ang maganda, after ma-discuss lahat yung concepts, each chapter ends with a simulated test.
Meaning,
Meaning,
di ba di ko alam?
meron siyang sample test na parang board exam, 100 items. Tapos yung portion niya that discusses the answers and the rationale, you don't have to flip over and go back to the question. Because on one side, you have the questions. On the other side, you have the answer, the rationale, and the references.
Wow. Oh, no cheating,
So
ha?
napaka-user-friendly. Tapos ang maganda dito, each chapter corresponds to each part of the board exam.
Wow!
So chapter 1 is for test 1. Chapter
Okay.
2 is for test 2. And
So-
then each chapter, iba-iba ang kulay.
Ibig sabihin, sir, if you are doing the drill, yung examination sa book, it's like you are doing the examination.
Yes, yes.
Galing.
Very true.
Sir, eto, can I just say something to them?
Yes.
I do not recommend you to buy the book. I recommend you to get the book. Di ba? Get the
Okay.
book. I mean, kasi pag sinabi nating buy, sir, it's something burden yan, eh, parang bibili
Totoo,
ako.
totoo.
Di ba? Get the book because
Kasi
this is for your benefit.
it's not something na very burdensome naman yung price. Even if it's the first Filipino author, dapat medyo mahal kasi part of history. But since, this is my way of saying thank you to the nurses who brought me to where I am. Ayun. So we're selling this actually at 50% nung kanyang list price sa bookstores.
50%.
And dapat nga mag-i-end ngayon yung promo. Pero in-extend namin yung promo up to the 15th.
This month, sir.
Oo, kaya lang kasi ito maganda. Yung first 3,000 copies actually, na pre-sold na.
Okay.
So it's pre-sold na, i-distribute na.
3,000, sir.
Oo, yung first 3,000. So, yung mga gusto pa, gagawan namin ng paraan na makapag-produce pa
Ibig
ulit.
sabihin, sir, yung libro nagkakaubusan.
Hindi pa lumalabas.
Ay.
Na nabili na yung first 3,000
Taray.
copies. Okay.
Taray.
Okay, so gusto namin, kasi we don't want na merong nakakuha, wala nakuha. So sabay-sabay namin yung ilalabas. And pag nilabas po namin ito, meron din ho itong concept guide. Merong sariling website yung libro, at everyday you can check it. May reminders ako doon which part of the book ang kailangan mong basahin.
Every day.
Every day. So
Naku.
it's guided. So guided yung pag-aral mo ng libro.
Galing.
Oo. So, pag kinuha mo to, dapat ito na lang yung babasahin mo. I-drop mo na lahat yung material. So, it would be better if you get the book after you finish all your materials from the review
Okay, so
programs
parang
you're
ito
having.
yung pinaka-final na book na babasahin
That's
before the
yeah,
board exam.
It has to be the last book that you have to read if you want to top the board.
Wow.
Ayun. At can I mention also?
Sige, sir, go ahead.
The foreword of the book was actually done by the one and only Dean Emeritus of the University of Santo Tomas College of Nursing, Dean Conchita Torres Maceda. Ayun.
Is she here?
No.
Wala si Ma'am.
Medyo namamahinga si Mama. Okay. And of course, we have here some of the
Batiin
deans
po natin.
who actually
I heard
helped me
there's
out
someone traveled.
review.
I heard someone traveled
Yo,
from a far
Dr.
place.
Mirna P. Miguel of PSU. Okay. Okay, our pleasure, Ma'am.
Hi,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Tapos, ang nag-review ho ng libro ay members of the academe from the private, the very, very well-known private nursing institutions of the country and government-run institutes of nursing. From Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Can I just read them?
Go ahead, sir.
Ayon. Yung mga dalubhasa po na tumingin ng libro to ensure na yung laman nito ay makatotohanan. We have Dr. Cecilia Alinea of the National Teachers Training Center for the Health Professions, University of the Philippines, Manila. Dean Naomi De Aro of De La Salle Health Sciences Institute, the Dean of the College of Nursing. Professor Clement Belvis, formerly a faculty member of the College of Health Sciences and Midwifery of De La Salle Health Sciences Institute. Dean Gloria Florendo, the Dean of the College of Nursing of West Mindanao State University in Zamboanga City. Dean Ria Gomez of Rizal Technological University of Mandaluyong City. Dean Mirna Miguel of the Institute of Nursing of Pangasinan State University. Professor Maria Corazon Olaires of the University of Santo Tomas College of Nursing. Dean Antonina Pascual of the University of San Carlos in Cebu. Professor Aleli Reyes of the College of Nursing of the De La Salle Health Sciences Institute. And Dr. Lilita C. the former dean of the College of Nursing of Chinese General Hospital School of Nursing, and the founder and director of Metanoia Learning Center, Zamboanga City, Philippines. Sila po
Puro
yung...
mga deans, sir.
Oo, yung mga,
Former deans ang mga deans.
mga nagtaya ng kanilang pangalan.
Sir,
para
I have
sa
a question
kredibilidad
for
ng
you.
libro.
Diba?
Yes, yes.
You have the RA Gapos Review Center.
Okay.
Diba? And it's doing well.
Okay.
Alam natin yan, di ba? You even have commercials sa amin.
Okay, okay.
Di ba? And now you wrote a book, di ba, for the nursing students. What made you write the book? Tapos bibenta mo na mura.
Okay, ito kasi, actually sabi nga ng isang-
What's in the heart of Sir Ray Gapos
Yeah.
that made him write the book
Okay.
ng mura?
Ito kasi, lifelong dream,
Okay.
di ba? So it's not really about making money out of
I know,
authoring
sir.
the book, but it's about making a dream, making my dream come true and proving to everyone that, a poor provinciano from the outskirts of northern Luzon could make it big as long as you put your heart into it. So that's what I wanted to prove more than anything else. And that's the reason why we're selling it at a 50% discount. Okay, for those who are and taking it, and it looks like kulang nga kasi yung 3,000 copies na pre-sell na siya. Dun sa mga nag-order, ayun na. So, nabili na kagad yon. So, ayaw naman namin na yung iba, walang kopya. So, we'll have to distribute it ng sabay-sabay so that it becomes fair. Ayun.
Ayan, sir, I know that this event is for you. And I won't take much of your time. Ayan na, so, may kakanta ba sa atin? Ngayon na?
Parang to celebrate the moment. Kailangan escape muna tayo.
Okay, sir. So, salamat. I know the entire day will be yours. Sir, palakpakan po, Sir Ray Gabus. Very down to earth, Sir Ray. Nakakatuwa. Di ba? In the meantime, mga kaibigan, we have someone to sing for us. Ready na ba kayo? Before the entire day of intellectual dwelling with Sir Ray Gapos, and I know it's gonna be fun. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say goodbye for now. Iiwanan ko na po sa inyo itong singer na to. And after that, I won't be upstage. But thank you so much for making it here. Please, if you can't be a very, very good student, be a good child sa inyong mga magulang, and please pass the board exam. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Mr. Eric Santos.